why is AI is an education for kids? First, in this rapidly evolving world, children are growing up learning by artificial intelligence or AI from the personal recommendation on their streaming service to the voice assignment on their phone, as like for homework, works for duty and anything else. Uh, we can find AI in everywhere, like from at school, we using AI, at work also using AI, and from our daily tasks as like doing video games or maybe a house chores or maybe make some ideas for content like for Instagram, YouTube, and any platform that's on the internet. AI can bring the gaps for because the traditional education often lack of the fundamental for young learners that often haven't got up. That makes significant disconnection between what children encounter daily and what they learn in this generation of AI technology. Also, empower the future. We need to equip the next generation to understand, navigate, and succeeding an AI-driven world. That the goal is not for the children to use AI, but also helps children and everyone to know how to develop and make a more creativities and improving artificial intelligence for the next generation. Hence, there's a core benefit for AI generation education, especially for the kids. For the early education, AI is foster computational thinking that helps students or kids or maybe an adult to have a development problem solving thinking skills like pattern recognize and algorithmic thinking. Also, we need some cultivate digital literature that helps children understand how AI works and then approach the technologies and navigate some considerations about AI in this generation. And also for the innovation and creativities that help kids and many people to be more creative in making and design something using AI. Beyond the basic of this broadening impact, there is three things that I want to show us is that AI is more than just a tools. Many of us usually if we using AI is just for doing homework like what is the answer for this answer or maybe help us doing things like please make us a PPT or maybe give us any explanation about what we didn't understand. AI is more than tools for that. AI is the main of creativity for us to get more and more innovative. And then a foundation for further learning. AI is not only for a simple question or maybe a simple test. AI can be more and more further learning, like a trading or something technology that wasn't incredible for this generation, but can be impossible for the next future generation, and also a responsible development that guide children, adults, and people to contribute with AI future in a thoughtful and ethical way. Early AI education equips children with crucial skill for navigating and succeeding for increasing intelligence world, but by fostering understanding and innovation, and we empower the next generation to be informed, digital,